Hank here for Free Podcast Tools, and I wanted to deliver an update on a story I've been working on for the last few weeks. Now, I heard a rumor that Shure was working on an audio interface, and in fact, they are. It is a refresh of their X2U audio interface. So, this new version is going to be called the MVX2U. It will work in tandem with Shure Plus Motive desktop application software. It's going to have auto level mode, manual mode. It has a USB-C port on the bottom, phantom power LED, 3.5 millimeter monitor output, and of course an XLR input. So this would plug right into the male XLR of a microphone. The auto level mode comes with near or far. So think of the Audient series of audio interfaces that do the smart gain. Inside the Shure Motive desktop app, you're going to have settings for auto level mode, manual mode, mic position, which I said is near or far, tone adjustment, gain, obviously phantom power, microphone mute, monitor mix, and inside the software you have EQ, a high pass filter, limiter, and compressor settings. Now, for a dynamic mic, you have dynamic mic speech and dynamic mic singing. And then for condenser, you have condenser mic speech, condenser mic singing. With the monitor mixed blend, you'll be able to adjust the slider to how much you want each source to be able to be heard. And the high pass filter has settings for 75 hertz and 150 hertz roll off. The device will be able to be updated via firmware. So this is something that'll be flexible and could get better over time. The frequency response range is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. It'll have a digital noise floor of -105 dB full scale. And the maximum gain input is 60 dB. The device weighs 3.5 ounces, and I can confirm the EQ is 5 band. It's supposed to have 2 recording settings. One is 16-bit, 48 kilohertz, and the other is 24-bit, 48 kilohertz. So the 24-bit 48 kilohertz would be a step up from its predecessor. I don't have a price as of yet, but I do know that there's a podcast conference going on this week, and I would expect a full announcement at that conference. I'll have a lot of acquaintances there, so I'll be checking everybody to see if they can tell me any more information on this device. Initially, I had heard that Shure was working on a larger format audio interface. That still could be true, but I have found nothing on that. This is the first lead that I've gotten in about 3 weeks that has turned out to be very fruitful. At this time, I only have diagram images of the device, but I'm sure real pictures will be surfacing shortly. Make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to Free Podcast Tools for more updates on this device and future devices that are yet to be revealed. Thank you.